With this course, it also recommends practicum sites. So you would have to reach out to dentists within your area and ask them, let them know you're doing an online dental assisting course and that you would like to, or if you could, do like a practicum site within their office. Now, you're not going to be paid for this. Some offices might offer to pay you, which would be great, but most offices, you're there just to learn. So you're doing like sterile, or you're just kind of watching them set up procedures. You're following an assistant around. Now you do want to do this for a few weeks, or even as long as they'll let you. And honestly, it could potentially lead to a job. So it's really important. You want to make sure you're showing up on time. You want to make sure you're doing a good job. You're offering to help. But yeah, basically, you're just shadowing staff members within a dental office to see hands-on, and they might even let you do some hands-on things, but it's basically in-office training, which is very important. But you would do that on your own time outside this course, okay?